morning and I'm preparing my dinner. Surprise! And what's more, when I'll return home after work, my dinner will be hot and ready to eat. Wondering how? Well, all this is possible with my Tiger multi-digital cooker. The Tiger multi-digital cooker, powered with Japanese technology, gets us hot, nutritious, homemade food every time. So today I'm going to prepare my husband's favorite chicken biryani for dinner and also some yummy potato curry to go along with the biryani. Tiger multi-digital cooker has an option of multi-cooking where I can cook 2 dishes at the same time. Isn't that great? All I need to do is add all the ingredients like rice, sauté chicken, whole spices, salt, chilli and other spices as per taste, some water and mix them well. And for my second dish, that is potato curry, I'll put some sliced potatoes, tomato puree, ginger garlic paste, spices and salt as per taste and mix them in the cooking plate. Now I will put the inner pot and the cooking plate into the cooker. I want my food to be ready by 6:30 p.m. so I will set the timer for 18:30 hours. To do so, I'll simply set the present time and choose the desired menu option for cooking. Then use the timer button to preset the time by adjusting hour and minute buttons. This great feature allows me to choose the time I want my cooking to finish at. Once my food is cooked, the keep warm function will automatically engage. Now I have to rush for office. See you in the evening. And I am back. And wow, both the curry and the biryani looks absolutely delicious and I just can't wait to eat it. With its unique thermal insulation, the food stays warm up to 12 hours inside the cooker after being cooked. The thick, far infrared coated inner pot creates good heat circulation for perfectly cooked rice. I am so glad that I have Tiger multi-digital cooker as my ultimate cooking buddy.